Join your hands and start chanting of Omkar thrice. Sairam to all of you and welcome you all in this class. Today, because right now only 70 children are in the class, waiting for few more to join Sairam, and then we will start a class, a test. I was talking about the activity videos. So those can make activity, can do activity at home and then later and can make video with explanation. You can add the sound effects and all, whatever you can. 3-4 minute video or maximum 5 minutes video. 2-minute video, no problem. It depends on the time to perform that activity. So in this way, when you submit your video to my personal window, I will send it to school and they will upload in Facebook page. Okay. I hope you will try to do it. Sairam Pankti. And all of you know that next chapter is weather, climate and adaptations. I will wait only a minute, then I will post link of the MCQ test. Okay, those who join late or left the meeting due to some reason and again join, they can request me, I will send the link again, Sairam Sasan. So are you ready? Okay? I send the link and right now don't write anything in the chat box. And your time starts. Those who join late, inform me, I will post the link again, MCQ test link. Shashank, you got the link in the chat box? Shashank?
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay. No, Shashank is writing no. बोल नहीं सकता है. I sent it again. And don't be hurry. बहुत जल्दबाजी नहीं करना चाहिए MCQ में. Read every option, then decide. Because once you submitted your answer, you can't submit it again. One response, I got it. प्रशांत केवल बहुत जल्दबाजी में 1 मिनट में 2 मिनट में खत्म कर दिया उसने. बहुत जल्दी है बेटा प्रशांत, कहीं जाना है?
सर मेरा चालू नहीं हो रहा।
किसका?
सर अभिषेक यादव।
हाँ, चालू क्यों नहीं हो रहा बेटा? क्या बोल रहा है वो?
सर उसमें आ रहा है यू नीड परमिशन।
तो आपने कोई और मेल खोल के रखा होगा उसमें। आपका जो स्कूल का मेल है ना बेटा,
यस सर।
आपने आदित्य आपने भी वही किया होगा। अपना स्कूल के मेल से आप लॉगिन करेंगे तब आपसे ये ओपन होगा, क्योंकि ये आपको हैबिट पहले भी थी। आदित्य बोलिए, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
सर मैंने अपने स्कूल का जो ईमेल आईडी है उससे मैंने साइन इन किया है मैंने।
हाँ
फिर अब
बेटा।
तभी दिखा रहा है यू नीड परमिशन।
नहीं तो परमिशन तो बेटा जितना भी हमारे स्कूल मेल आईडी से आप उसको ओपन करेंगे, क्या होता है कि क्या आपके उसमें गूगल क्रोम सर्च इंजन के रूप में डाउनलोड है? अभी मैं उसकी सेटिंग में कुछ चेंज कर देता हूं, लेकिन आप लोग ध्यान रखिए। अब देखिए, अब हो जाएगा। लोकेश सोनी, अभी ज्वाइन किए हो? लोकेश सोनी,
यस सर।
एमसीक्यू टेस्ट की लिंक डाली है, खोलो उसको अब, चैट बॉक्स को, जो भी अभी ज्वाइन हुआ है।
सर फॉर्म भरना है।
कौन बोल रहा है ये? टेस्ट है बेटा। सार्थक सबमिटेड, कैथरीन, व्योम, आरुष, Ayan Pathan also submitted. And today you can see your marks also. Anumega also submitted. Very good, Anumega. Two students scored 100% marks. Catherine, very good. योगिता अभी ज्वाइन किया है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
चैट बॉक्स में एमसीक्यू टेस्ट की लिंक है, उसको देखिए। Sarakshi also submitted. Shashank submitted. Agrima submitted. Amay Bhor submitted. Pankti submitted. Twelve children submitted and 20 are present. 8 are still left. I think 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes I will give you. Aditya, very good. Sanika also submitted. 14 children submitted. Abhishek also submitted 15. Abhishek, 17 children submitted. Who is left? एटीन सबमिटेड. अभी कौन बचा है बताइए, सिर्फ वही बताएगा, जरा माइक ओपन करके. टेल मी हु इज टिल नॉट सबमिटेड. एटीन चिल्ड्रन सबमिटेड and right now 19 are in the meeting, I think including me also. So shall I close it? Acha, those who scored 10 out of 10, tell me your name.
सर आदित्य शर्मा.
Aditya Sharma. Anumega. Catherine. 3 children scored 10 out of 10. Those who scored 9 out of 10, tell me your name.
सर अयान पठान.
सर सानिका नायक.
Ayan Pathan, Sanika Nayak. One more. Vyom, are you not there? Vyom also.
पंक्ति जैन.
Pankti Jain, you scored 9. Sorry, Pankti, you scored.
sir.
हाँ. Vyom scored 9. Those who scored 8 out of 10, tell me your name.
अभिषेक यादव.
Abhishek Yadav and
Arush.
Arush and only 2. 7.
सर अमय भोर.
Very good. 6. Ram Para sir scored 6 marks. 5 marks.
पंक्ति जैन.
सर योगिता श्रीवास्तव.
Pankti Jain scored 5. Abhishek Dhakar and Yogita. Those who scored 4. मैं बताऊंगा, नाम तो बताऊंगा मैं कि नहीं बताऊं. चलिए छोड़िए इसको। तो आई एम यस नाउ दैट MCQ इज ओवर। टाइम कम मिला था तो देवेश सर कहीं बहुत दूर तो बैठे नहीं थे, एक आवाज में बोल दो देवेश सर प्लीज रुक जाओ, है ना। इतना तेज भी नहीं दौड़ते हैं देवेश सर, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तेज चलते हैं, तेज दौड़ते नहीं। चलिए, और बहुत सारे बच्चों के कैमरे ऑफ हैं, अगर आप इसी में कंफर्टेबल है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे तो दिखता ही नहीं है कि आप कहाँ हैं। हाँ, और मैंने आपको एक सजेशन दिया था कि आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छी टी शर्ट है जो हाउस टी शर्ट कहलाती है, किसी का बर्थडे हो तो वो अपने बर्थडे की ड्रेस पहन के आए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कैथरीन को हाउस नहीं मालूम है अभी तक, इसलिए वो हाउस यूनिफॉर्म स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म उसके पास नहीं है, तो कैथरीन को हम मान सकते हैं कि वो किसी कारण से अपनी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहन पा रही है। लेकिन ये बाकी लोग, और उसकी टी शर्ट बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, और आज तो व्यूम भी अच्छे फुल मूड में दिखाई दे रहा है। Okay, so we are going to start our next chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptations। और अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए, थोड़ा मुझे देखिए, मैं आपको देखूंगा। देखो पंक्ति बिल्कुल सैफी हाउस की चैंपियन, वेरी गुड पंक्ति। सो हमें वो मार्क्स ऑफ एग्जाम आपके पास, आपका सर्टिफिकेट पहुंच जाएगा, चिंता ना करें, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए। और एक चीज जो मैं आपको सजेशन देना चाहता हूं कि चूंकि कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप और मोबाइल पर काम करने से हमारे को राइटिंग की हैबिट थोड़ा सा कम हो गई है, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे एग्जाम के पेपर में लिखना ही नहीं चाह रहे थे, वो लिखना ही नहीं चाह रहे थे, क्या मालूम क्या इतना आलस आ गया था। पब्लिकली मैं नहीं बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि ऐसे कौन कौन, अरे वाह कहते हैं सह्याद्री हाउस, हिमालय हाउस, गुड 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 गुड। अरे अनुमेगा कहते हैं बोथ आर फ्रॉम हिमालय। सो चलिए, वेदर, अयन आज यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं है। अब मैं यूनिफॉर्म की बात नहीं करता हूं, मैं पानी पीता हूं। Weather, climate and adaptations. The first word weather, what does it mean? Weather मतलब क्या?
Day to day, hour to hour changes in atmosphere.
Okay, it means what is going on. When I came to school at that time, little bit clouds were there, and then sunshine. Then in the evening, light showers, and in the night again temperature increases. So what is happening here? Day to day, hour to hour, very quickly change occur in the atmospheric conditions. That is weather. But when I ask you a question, anybody of you from South India, any part of the South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh? Yes. Catherine, what is the climate of your native state?
Sir, it's somewhat hot.
It is hot. You belongs to Kerala,
Chennai.
Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu climate, and when we compare Tamil Nadu climate with Rajasthan or Jammu and Kashmir, especially Kashmir, so you can easily say in the month of summer you like to visit Kashmir, but in the month of winter you like to visit Tamil Nadu. So these are the changes. This is climate. And climate, if I want to say about climate of Chennai, so I will study the weather conditions of Chennai over the last 20 to 25 years. Then will reach on conclusion कि yes, hot and humid is the climate of Tamil Nadu or Chennai. And the climate decide the food climate decide the dresses of particular area. You are very much comfortable in the jeans in the winter time, but when you go to the Tamil Nadu in the month of summer, then it will be difficult to use jeans because of climatic conditions. So we have to use dresses as per the climate. And this makes us to adapt according to the climatic conditions. Here is the word adapt. Detailed word is adaptations. Last year in class 6 you study about the adaptation. Can anybody of you tell me about the adaptations? Yes, Vyom?
Changes taken place by the animals to adapt in their surroundings.
Okay. Adapt in their surroundings or adjust. To adjust. Okay, very simple example. Catherine, she was the old student of her class, and I think in the class 4th and 5th, 4th or in 5th, she left the school. She was the member of her school earlier. So when she joined the school again, she could not face that much problem in adjustment the school atmosphere. But one slight change in her admission. Earlier she was in B section and now she is in A section. So little bit difficulty if she joined in regular classes, offline class in the school, she faced some problems because number of children, most of the children are not known to her. But in B section, she is comfortable with B section children. It is all because of she was habitual with them. This is adaptation. But gradually, we develop something. We know the name of other mates, our friends. We know the date of birth, and then we adjust. This is adaptations. All of you know about lizard, house lizard. Very common nowadays. Yes, you are very much scared of the house lizard. शेर से डर नहीं लगता, लेकिन छिपकली से बहुत डर लगता है कि नहीं अनुमेघा?
Yes,
लगता है बेटा? योगिता को लगता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कॉकरोच और छिपकली से लड़कियों को बहुत ज्यादा डर लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों. And you know that house lizard hide itself during the time of winter for 2-3 months. This is called hibernation because that body of skin of that animal, that reptile is not comfortable in the month of some winter, but summertime is very good time for her, for that reptile, because lay eggs during that month of summer. So weather and climate, they play a very important. Okay, now one question to Arush. Beta, who plays a very important role in deciding the weather?
Sir, clouds.
Okay, anybody else? Okay,
Animals.
एनिमल से मेरे यहाँ बहुत सारे कॉकरोच आ गए हैं तो मेरे यहाँ का वेदर चेंज हो जाएगा, बारिश होना शुरू हो जाएगी क्या? सन
सर नहीं वो जब अगर हमें दिखेंगे नहीं कि वो मतलब सर गायब हो जाएंगे तो सर हमें ये पता चल जाएगा कि अभी समर है.
अच्छा, वो गायब हो जाएंगे तब समर पता चलेगी कि समर आ जाएगी तब वो गायब हो जाएंगे. Okay. Do you know about the role of sun? S-U-N. Sun plays a very important role because what is happening? You were partly correct, Arus and others. Temperature, formation of clouds, humidity, percentage of moisture in the air, all they decide the weather. They are the elements. In your text, first I would like to, I already sent the PDF link of your textbook of this chapter. You can see in your WhatsApp group. This is the syllabus. First we will see the syllabus, what we are going to discuss. Weather. And when we talk about the weather, every day, when nowadays we are not in the school, so this news headlines are not morning assembly we are facing. There is no morning assembly. But when you were part of the morning assembly, you mention weather condition, temperature of some major cities. Yes? Maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Every day. And newspaper, in the newspaper you can see maximum and minimum temperature, humidity also. Weather data of a week, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, humidity, minimum and maximum and rainfall. We will discuss about climate and few important climates, like we'll compare Jammu and Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Different animals, especially animal living in polar region, and second is tropical rainforest. Mainly we cover these two extreme climatic conditions, polar region and tropical rainforest. We all are the part of tropical rainforest. Just see it.
Changing weather part 1. The sun blazes the earth. The hot air blows. Come, O clouds, black clouds, get rid of the hot summer. It brings with it Diwali. The winter is amazing. Hello friends, what did you learn from this poem? So how is the weather today? Is it hot or cold? Will it rain today? We ask a lot of such questions daily. Nowadays, we learn about the weather from newspapers, radio and television. Do you know what is the weather? Come, let us try and learn about the weather from this story. The objective of this story are 1. To understand what weather is. 2. To understand the components of weather. 3. To understand how is weather forecast.
These 3 points are our objective from today's lesson. What is weather? Components of weather and weather forecasting. Forecasting means Purvanman. When you watch news channels, they generally give us detail of weather and sometimes weather forecasting. कि कल कैसा वेदर होने वाला है. These are the objectives.
Like every day, Reena and Geeta were going to school.
It is so cold today. It was so sunny in the morning and it has suddenly become so cold.
Yes, I will have to tell mother to take out some light sweaters. The children reach school. It begins to rain after some time.
Oh, it has started to rain. Oh no, the games period will get cancelled.
Oh
The
my
rain
God.
has spoiled the whole mood.
Sometimes it happens with you when you are ready for games, especially your PT period, games period. You want to go out and suddenly rain takes place. The teacher asked you to go to your class.
Yes, the weather today is changing frequently. It was sunny in the morning, then it became cold, and now it has started raining.
मतलब three different type of situation in 12 hours. Morning, sunny, धूप निकल रही थी. Then cloudy, then rain.
Why does the weather change so frequently sometimes?
Yes, this is a very good question. You can note down. Why does the weather change so frequently sometime? Many a times it happens कि weather, there is no change in the weather conditions. The weather from the morning to evening is same. Vipul, unmute your mic better.
Yes, sir.
Beta, we conducted a MCQ test today. You are not the part of it?
Yes, sir. I joined late.
No, why? You didn't know the time of your class?
No, sir.
You
I
don't
know
know?
it, but sir,
Speak loudly.
no, sir. I know it.
Then,
Sir, sir, my grandfather is sick, so I take him to hospital.
you.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, now is okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I asked you one question. You noted down. Adit, what was the question? Read the question. Sarma
The
ji.
question was that why does the weather change frequently?
Yes, sometime it happens or not?
Yes.
Yes, Sarthak, you unmute your mic and open your camera. Sarthak, why does the weather change frequently? देखिए सार्थक आपका कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आएगा. मैं आपके पेरेंट्स से बात करूंगा कि आप क्लास में मेरे सामने ना तो माइक ओपन करते हैं ना कैमरा ओपन करते हैं. लोकेश, मैं नाम नोट कर रहा हूं.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, why does the weather change so frequently sometime? Guess your question. Answer.
Because of the speed of wind.
Speed of wind. Okay. Anybody else? Agrima? Don't try to answer any. You want to say anything about it? Arush?
Sir, it happens because the elements of the nature.
Okay. Any other wants to say something?
Sir,
Due to
humidity.
the movement
Sir,
Sir,
humidity.
rotation of Earth.
Okay, rotation of earth. Ame first, then Anumika.
Sir, humidity. Sir,
Okay.
that causes rain.
Yes, you are right. Anumika, you
Sir,
want
due
to
to
say?
evolution of
due
Earth.
to the movement of
Sir, sun rays.
the movement of clouds.
Okay.
Sir, sun rays.
Who said?
Sir, Arush.
Arush. Okay. So, yes, these so many things are responsible to decide the weather of a particular place.
Sir, does human activity also causes weather? Sir, human activity changes weather.
How? From the morning to evening, three weather, both the children, they came from their house to school and weather changed three times. How they are responsible? Let's see.
Now the games period will get cancelled. Come, let us go in the library and read the newspaper.
Look, there is a weather update in the newspaper. It is written here that it is expected to get cold and it could rain also. It is expected to be sunny tomorrow.
Oh, but how do they know about the forecast?
My father's friend works in the weather department. He was once telling us that the weather report is prepared by the Indian Meteorological Department. They collect data about temperature, wind from various places and prepare the report.
We had learned last year that the sun is the primary source of energy, so the sun would have a big impact on the weather.
Yes. Sun plays a very important role in deciding the weather of a particular place because weather is never constant anywhere. It changes.
Come, let us prepare a list about the elements which impact the weather.
Yes. As you explained, all of you know the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, pressure, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, sunshine, clouds, rainfall, is called the weather at that place at that time. These are the factors. It means these are the major elements of weather at place. Major elements are temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, sunshine, clouds, rainfall. These are the called weather. Do you know anybody what is the Hindi name of weather?
वातावरण.
No. Mausam. Actually, this word derived from Arabic language.
Mausim. Mausim.
Yes, you are right. Yes. So, these two students trying to decide the weather, the factors that decide the weather at a place at that time.
A, sun, B, wind.
Does rainfall also has an impact on weather?
Yes.
Yes, I think like when it rains, the weather changes. So rainfall does impact the weather.
The weather update in the newspaper also shows the maximum and minimum temperature. We have learned about temperature in the chapter on heat.
Yes, the temperature is more in summers and less in winters. We had also learned that the temperature is measured through a thermometer.
This means that the following elements have an impact on the weather: sun, wind, temperature.
During summers and the rainy weather, we sweat a lot. We say that there is a lot of moisture in the air. That
Moisture means Prashant Kevat. Prashant, are you there? Prashant. Sanika.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by moisture? Sanika.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by moisture?
Sir, when rain occur,
How rain occur then?
Sir, moisture changes to water.
Moisture means what? Yes, Amay.
Sir, humidity.
Humidity
Sir,
means
water vapor.
Sir, water
Sir,
vapor in
rainfall. Sir,
atmosphere.
rainfall.
Sir, water vapor present in
Sir,
the
water
present
vapor.
in the air.
Water vapor. Yes, Vyom, you want to add something different or same?
Amount of water vapor in the air.
Acha, from where this water vapor entered in the air?
Sir, it evaporates. Sir, the water evaporates from
The water evaporates
from various
water
water bodies
resources
like
such as
seas.
rivers, lakes, oceans, seas, ponds, etc., etc.
Yes, you all are correct. The water present that evaporates. Acha, Aros is typing again and again one question. First, let me what would happen if sun gets stolen? Yes, give him this answer. Sun चोरी चला जाएगा तो क्या होगा?
सर पूरी खत्म हो जाएगी।
अर्थ खत्म हो जाएगी। क्यों हो जाएगी? क्यों हो जाएगी?
सर अगर सन नहीं रहेगा तो हीट नहीं मिलेगी, कुछ खाने के लिए नहीं होगा और लाइट भी नहीं मिलेगी, तो दिन जब होगा तो भी रात ही लगेगी।
अच्छा, एक काम करेंगे, सभी लोग 10 to 15 लाइंस लिखेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर व्हाट आरुष आस्क्ड, it is just for knowledge as he mentioned, but is a good to think what would happen if sun disappear suddenly. मैं सुबह उठा और मैंने देखा कि धूप नहीं निकल रही है, दोपहर तक बैठा रहा, धूप निकली ही नहीं, अंधेरे का अंधेरा है, तो बाद में आरुष ने खबर मुझे करी फोन पे कि सर सन तो चोरी चला गया है। अब चोरी किसने किया ये मत सोचना, nobody can. Okay, ठीक है आरुष, let me see what happens.
That is the reason we sweat. I think the moisture in the air also has an impact on the weather.
Come, Geeta, let us show this list to our geography teacher. She will be able to tell us if we have made it correctly.
Hello, teacher. Today our games period was cancelled because of the rain. So Reena and I went to the library to read the newspaper. We started reading about the weather update and have prepared this list of the elements that impact the weather. Can you please tell us if these are right?
Very good. Show it to me, children. This is a correct list that you have made. These elements have an impact on the weather. Sun, wind, temperature, moisture.
Temperature. But when are these temperatures measured?
Children, the maximum temperatures is measured at 12 noon and the minimum in the early morning.
So these are the two times when we measure the temperature. Maximum temperature at what time? In the afternoon. And minimum temperature in the early morning.
There is a difference in the maximum and minimum temperatures of each day. Why don't both of you collect the newspapers for a week and analyze the temperature? More on 3 weather has changed 3 times from morning to noon.
Yes, teacher, the weather also has mood swings.
There are so many countries in the world. Some countries are close to the sea, some are in the mountains, and some are deserts. Is the weather of all these different places same? Does the weather and climate gets impacted by their geographical location?
So friends, we learned about the weather. We also learned about the elements of the weather. Now,
so what we discussed about the elements of the weather. And one question as Arus raised about the sun. You give a thought over it. We'll discuss. You just, Yogita, you write 10 to 15 lines, not now. Later in the evening or tomorrow is the Sunday, so you can. One more thing. Can we collect information about the different elements of weather for next 7 days? From Sunday to Sunday? Yes? You can collect. Nowadays, you may not getting your newspaper. No problem. Everything is available on the net. You just collect temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall in millimeter, if it happens in our area. Okay, you can collect all these factors of different places. 1 week is sufficient. All these elements, make a table, and second thing, draw a graph like this. If any doubt about any website information, so you can open the website of Indian Meteorological Department, Bharatiya Mausam Vibhag. It will give us correct, yes, line chart. Okay, so we can say, because tomorrow is Sunday, so you start from Sunday to next Sunday. And how that make all this, write all these things in tabular form. Table, column, heading, and collect. And on next Saturday, you collect it up to Saturday or Sunday. So Thursday we'll discuss again about this. Is it clear? It was all about the weather. Now, as Arush asked this question about the sun, let us discuss what is the role of sun. Sarthak Khairnar, are you there? Again, he is not there. Sarthak Khairnar. Abhishek Dhakad. I am note down the name.
Yes.
Abhishek Dhakad. Be active in the class. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
What is? कभी तो अपना चेहरा दिखाया करो. कैमरा ओपन करना जरा. जिसका नाम लूं वो जरूर कैमरा ओपन करें. अभिषेक धाकड़. नोट कर लूं नाम. So about the sun, what is the role of sun? Actually, we are getting sunlight. We are getting heat from the sun. And part of the heat absorbed by the earth atmosphere. Part of the heat reflected back. And part of the heat trapped in atmosphere. And all of you know about the, अब दिखाई दिया है. जब मैं बोलूं तो कैमरा ओपन करके ही यस सर करना. ठीक है अभिषेक? और तुम्हारा दोस्त है
सर? पता नहीं
सर. कौन से, किसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं? संदेश. पता नहीं. यहाँ पर है संदेश.
यस सर.
संदेश, आर यू देयर? संदेश.
No, sir, he is not in the meeting.
he is not in the list. उसको बता देना. फोन करते रहते हो ना तुम लोग. अभिषेक धाकड़ बोलना देवेश सर याद कर रहे थे तुमको. संदेश को बताइएगा.
यस सर.
बता देना. फिर मैं उससे बात करूंगा. बोलना फोन करो देवेश सर. So sun plays a very important role in deciding the weather, because that is the only source of energy for the earth. All of you know that it is a star and it is far away from us, but that is the only which is close to us, and we get lot of heat and light from the sun. And that plays a very important role, because evaporation occurs in presence of sunlight. When sunlight falls on the earth, there are lots of water bodies. There are lots of plants that contain water. They release their water in the air through the evaporation and transpiration. And that plays a very important role in the percentage of moisture, the water vapor present in the air. Sometimes it happens कि when we start feeling too much sweat, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, फिर हमको पता चलता है कि अब पानी गिरने वाला है, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग and then we get relief after when rainfall takes place. Second thing about the maximum and minimum temperature. What is highest temperature during a day? Highest temperature during a day is called the maximum temperature. पूरे 24 आवर्स में एक ना एक बार ऐसा समय आता है जब वो टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा होता है। अब वो मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर कितने बजे आता है? आफ्टरनून, at noon. And 250 is there. My next class is there. Sorry. So Santipat. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Sairam sir.
Sairam sir.